Let's have a comparison between Ubuntu versus Debian. Debian is community-driven and volunteer-based with no corporate control. It has a strong emphasis on free or open-source software principles. It releases only when a version is truly stable, not on a fixed schedule. Next, we have Ubuntu. Ubuntu is based on Debian but developed by Canonical Limited, which is a company, and it focuses on ease of use, hardware compatibility, and modern tools. It includes non-free proprietary drivers more easily. Debian fans love it for one reason, which is pure stability and open source values. It's slow to change but rock solid. Whereas Ubuntu users, they want ease, drivers, and things that just work. It's faster releases, better hardware support, and beginner-friendly, which is backed by a company. So finally, Ubuntu is often chosen for beginner-friendly experience, frequent updates and modern tools, and excellent hardware support and enterprise readiness, whereas Debian is preferred for strong stability and reliability. Your choice usually comes down to what you value most in your Linux experience. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.